Hi, my name is Corey Rombout. This is my second semester with SUNY Empire State. I have my bachelor's degree in science, inclusive early childhood education. I graduated from Roberts Wesleyan in 2013. I am currently a substitute at Elba Central School. I have worked at 4 other schools at one point all together, but we currently have my stepson full time, and I have to play the beat the bus game, which is always fun and exciting, keeps me on my toes. Before that, I was a home visitor family advocate for Head Start. Head Start is a little bit old school. They don't use technology with their teachings. It's a lot of games and play to help children, and a lot of social interaction in the classrooms. Being a home visitor, I would go into families' homes and get the parents really involved with their child's learning and help the parents decipher where their child was developmentally and what steps need to be taken to help their child learn and grow. The family advocate piece, I would take my families to the store, any appointments that they may have, and I would also get them resources so that they could be more independent and do things for themselves, which was very nice. At Elba, we use many different technologies. We have Google Classroom, smart boards in every classroom. All the kids have Chromebooks. The technology that I'll be focusing on is the PBIS system, which is positive behavioral interventions, and parents can download the app and they can communicate with the teacher about how their child is doing throughout the day. We give out points and we scan little lanyards that the kids have, little ID badges, and the kids will get points for being safe, respectful, and responsible. And that's a pretty broad range of what we can give points for. So I'm constantly giving positive points out when I'm in the classroom. It's also really good because if there is any issues that arise throughout the day, the teachers can write a referral and then the parents can communicate back and forth, and they can all sit down and have a meeting about what happened. Thank you for watching, and good luck this semester.